Most people have never been involved with a lawsuit before. So when they're faced with a legal problem or a lawsuit, they've just been served with a lawsuit, it can be something that's very crippling in their life. It's stressful. It's a daunting, unknown thing that they've never dealt with before. Oftentimes people, wonder, what do I do now? I have a lawsuit. I've been served with a lawsuit. Where's the courthouse at? Or maybe they're in a situation where they need to potentially bring legal action against somebody. What do I do? Where's the courthouse? What door do I go in? What lines do I stand in? What do I file? How do I file a lawsuit? I have to do disclosures, interrogatories. Those are all very complex things involved in the legal system that unfortunately is not really a user-friendly system. And that never became more clear to me than in my first couple of years of practice. When I realized this has got to be difficult for people who don't have a legal background to really try to navigate through these waters. And that's why it's so important to have a lawyer in your corner to help you navigate these waters. The complexity and difficulty of trying to maneuver through a legal problem or a lawsuit without somebody that knows what they're doing can just add stress to an already stressful situation. My job here, as I look at it, is to help people understand what to expect with a lawsuit, what to expect moving forward with a lawsuit, either defending one or bringing one. And I want my clients to know and understand when they walk out the door that they've got somebody who will keep them informed of what their options are, what they can expect over the next few months, and that they're in control. There's always 2 or 3 different options that are available to the clients at any given point in the litigation. And their job is to just tell me which one they want to do. Let me worry about what's going to happen at the courthouse. Let me worry about what needs to be filed, when it needs to be filed. Sometimes people, because they're afraid of hiring a lawyer, they try to take these lawsuits on their own, and so they're what we call pro per. We hear from them 6, 7, 8 months into the lawsuit, and we come back and we're kind of doing damage control at that point because they've tried it on their own, which is noble, we get it, we understand it, but that can be more damaging down the road because they've missed deadlines, they haven't filed what they're supposed to file. There's various rules, regulations, statutes, and laws that all govern the lawsuit. That how could they possibly be expected to know that? My job is to keep the client informed. Here's what your case options are. Here's what the plan should be, and leave your stress at the door and let me deal with it.